have to get your enough fishing line. You pick one sand bead, one pearl, one sand bead. Today we are working with 3 So this is what you'd have: one pearl, one sand bead, one pearl, one sand bead. Then you cross thread on the 3rd bead. So this is the base. This is what you are going to get. Then on your the right thread, you would pick one sand bead, one pearl, and one sand bead. So you would pick one sand bead, one pearl, one sand bead on your right. Then on your left, you would pick one sand bead, one pearl, and use that pearl to do the cross threading. So this is what you would get. Again, you would pick on your left, you pick one pearl, one gold bead. So you'd have the gold bead in between the pearl in between the gold bead on your left. Then on your right, you pick just a gold bead and a pearl. Then you use that pearl to do the cross threading. So this is what we have. So if you know that the last time you worked with the left hand with the 2 seed bead, then the next time you are repeating, you just have to swap to the other hand. So this is our work. So with the turning, you see that earlier on I said that where you have 1 C bead, you pick 1 C bead. Where you have 2 C bead, you pick 2 C bead. But this time around, where you have 1 C bead is where we are using it to turn. So you have to take note of that. So where you have 1 C bead, you pick 1 C bead. You pick the pearl, then you'd pick another C bead on where you have the 1 C bead. Then you would pick on the other hand, you would pick just a C bead, a pearl, then you use that one to turn. So this is what we have. Then you repeat the process again. Where you have one seed bead, this time around you are picking two seed bead there, but one seed bead, then the pearl followed by a seed bead. Then where you have the two seed bead, you would pick a one seed bead and a pearl and use that one to do the turning. We are repeating that till it forms a circle. I hope the explanation is well detailed. So when you do that, it's going to form a circle in the middle part. So you see our circle is gradually forming. So where the two bead meet, the two pearls, you would pick just a seed bead. Then you slip the thread on the immediate pearl. So this is what you have. Then where you have the one seed bead, you would pick one seed bead. Then you pick a pearl. Then on the right thread, you would pick just one seed bead. Then you do cross thread. So you see that our circle is neatly formed. Then you would slip your fishing line through the seed bead, through the pearl, we are going round till it comes, the thread will reach this bead. Then we continue. This is the middle part. I'm coming to weave the other handle. So this time around, you would pick one So I guess we are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will just go ahead and tie my fishing line. Because of the knot, I'm not going to slip it through, but I'll just put it a little. Then I'll cut the excess because we are now coming to sew it on the slippers. Then we will do away with the excess. We are now coming to sew it on the slippers. So first of all, we are securing the fishing line on the slippers. This is our final work. Trust me, this is very beautiful. It can suit all occasions. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video for others to also benefit. Bye bye.